What's the difference between a prefabricated house, a flat-pack container house, and a modular house? Let's break it down in 1 minute. A prefabricated house uses a light steel frame structure that is assembled directly on site. It's low cost and simple, but it requires more manual installation and has limited durability in fire, wind, and harsh climates. It's mainly used for temporary and short-term construction projects for less than 5 years. A flat-pack container house is highly integrated in the factory. The steel frame, sandwich wall panels, and wiring are all pre-installed. It's delivered in flat packs, saving up to 75% of shipping space and cost. A team of 4 workers can install one modular unit in just a few hours on a construction site. These units are strong, durable, and ideal for global camp projects, with a service life of about 15 to 20 years. A modular house is built as full-size volumetric modules, with walls, floors, ceilings, MEP systems, and even bathroom pods completed in the factory. On site, modules are lifted like building blocks to form hospitals, schools, hotels, or large-scale towns. It offers the highest quality and fastest construction, but comes with higher transportation expenses that can be lived in for more than 50 years. Portable house, an economical choice. More on-site work is needed. Flat-pack houses, suitable for various construction camps, highly efficient, and cost-saving for transport. Modular house, high-end quality, ideal for large permanent projects. GSHousing, complete solutions for modular building projects worldwide.